Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So you can see that right today is in the morning we've got really solid upward action, so approximately for the 3%. So by the news reports it has been declared that some big amount of the short positions have been closed. Kind of the expectation of the adoption of the ETF, and long-term holders have accumulated big positions. So you can see here for 3.2 million in 48 hours. It's just in 2 days. So and that's explained why we see this upward action. So in general, speaking on the Bitcoin performance, it is very tricky right now by the few reasons. First of all, market is very thin, so the trading volumes have dropped drastically for the few times compared to what was in the last year and even earlier. So here's very thin market. Recent performance of the market seems, well, a bit chaotic, so it doesn't relate to the real fundamentals factors that have been released, and it seems that those who have more or less significant amount of the coins could move markets in any direction, because in the recent news we see it very rational performance. So market now behaves neither as safe haven closer to the gold, because it definitely stands different compared to the gold, nor like the risky assets. Also relation to the stock market also has been broken, and this always happens when the markets become thin and losing liquidity. That's why trading here is a really big challenge on the market. So because even in the recent few weeks we already saw quite opposite action within just the same session. It was explained that some positive new news have been released, but in a few hours the performance have been reversed. So it means that investors actually do not know in what direction market should move, and trying to use any news to trying to use any information just to move the market, and that's really very uncomfortable for trading. So still, if we'll take a look at the technical picture on the weekly chart, market keeps bullish chances for upward action. So you can see that closing of the week was not as dramatic as we saw on Thursday, so market has shown minor pullback. That's why here we haven't got really big black candle on the weekly chart. Market has returned back up, and right now, as you can see, it's also showing the moving some upward action. All this stuff is coming closer to the weekly MACD predictor, and within a few weeks it will be interesting what will happen, whether grabbers will be formed here or market will just keep going higher. Here we mostly keep an eye on the 30 and even area. As we said, that will be the major some vital points for Bitcoin. Upward breakout means further action to the 36 target. Failure to show upward action and sharp reversal here could lead to appearing of the hand and shoulders with a drop below the 25 area. So this area will be very important. Right now we're just watching what will happen in this range when the market will start flirting with the MACD predictor line. On the longer time frame, take a look on the daily. Market keeps valid our C points, so currently upward action is still valid. It has not been broken. It is returning back up to the upward action based on this recent news and challenging the confidence once again. But since it has been broken rather far, so with this completion of the OP target, here will be minor barrier. Hardly it will be some problem for the prices to keep going higher. From that standpoint, we could say that short-term context for trading is bullish, despite the trend nominally stands still bearish on the daily chart. At the same time, I would consider a few moments before taking the long position. First of all, if we take a look, by the way, it's upward action, next target will be 30.20, it's XOP if market will keep going higher. And here's particularly the moments that I intend to keep an eye on Bitcoin. First of all, on the 4 time frame chart, I would consider C point top, or at least control this breakout, because until C point stands valid, this ABCD pattern is also valid, and despite that we have the deep retracement, XOP target is still possible to reach. So to confirm the bullish reversal and upward continuation on the daily chart, market has to break the top of the C point. It's 28.30 approximately. So it has to break it and erase the ABCD pattern. That will be the confirmation that it's going higher, challenging this top and so on. If this will not happen and market remains in this range, start dropping lower, well, that will increase the bearish chances, so in risk of the downward continuation. So this is important moment. Second moment that makes sense to consider is on the hourly chart. Since market is starting really a fast upward explosive action, it given hints on, well, some strong background, some strong purchasing of the Bitcoin. And if it's really tending to the 30 even target on the daily chart, and this is continuation since retracement is over, so take a look, we have the upward action to the OP on the daily chart, ABCD retracement, Gartner's typical to buy, and upward action. So theoretically, by the normal logic of the swing structure, this action has to be extension, because retracement on the OP is over. So this has to be extension to the XOP. It means that market should not show any deep retracements. It's just because major retracement already is done. From that standpoint, you need to keep an eye on these two levels. So if market indeed bullish, it should not break below 2740 area, because this is confluence, and if it will break it down, it will erase this jump. So it will be downward erasing of this action, and it will be bearish. So normal price action here has to stay above this level. So you could use this level as some kind of the testing of the indicator of the validity of the bullish sentiment, and also you could use it if you intend to go long. That might be used as a potential area where you could hide your initial stop. So that's our 2 cents on the Bitcoin market. Let's keep watching, but as I said, guys, in the current environment, markets becoming very unstable and nervous, and it's very difficult to trade it, because just recently you could see how really we have opposite swings, very fast is changing the direction, and on very thin market it's a common thing. So let's keep watching and see what the performance will be.